Will you record for me, Mom? My arm is starting to hurt.
Just put it somewhere, baby.
It won't stay
I'm
up.
watching everything.
Man, will you record it for me? My arm is starting to give up. It's for my girlfriend.
If she was, I ain't surprised.
There's nothing in front of us. Are you recording it? Are y'all recording it? No, but I am. What? No, I am. Just me. My mom, because she was recording too. No, it's not mine. Hey.
Okay, well, right there and we'll do it. I'll take it up and put it back where it was.
No.
I took a video of you throwing it, by the way.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
Show it again.
No, because then you're taking my phone and you're going to delete it.
Sure, everybody, sure.
Sir, Mexican, sir.
That one, the ugly face of your friend that looks like a Mexican girl. But that girl that's not your friend, actually. What do you mean?
She wasn't my friend, but I would have her saved on my phone.
Don't sound like she's your friend.
Well, she is.
That's so cool, bro. That was close. Bomb. It's about 350 million. 350 of them are coming out tonight. One, watch this. Mushroom, that's a mushroom. Pew! I shot that one in midair. Watch this. I'll do this. I'll go. Watch. How do you zoom out? I'm on one, so you can't anymore, I'm guessing.
They wanted me to go because they're looking for a lot.
landed like that.
Look at it. Just kidding. That time was fake. But that first time was so epic, dude.
Grayson, I keep on shooting these things.
How do you make the... How do you do that? What do you do? Blow air? How do you do it? Suck in?
I don't know, I just do it.
Finale's happening. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. There's 320 of these things.
No, I said 320 million. Go off tonight. 1 hour and 45 minutes.
My hands are starting to hurt.
So far was the other one that just happened. Not that one, the one before. If it happens again, I'll show you. It's very light. Like those kind of things are my favorite, not that. Not that. Not that one either. That one's okay. Some other ones I like too. My favorite is not that
My hands are getting tired.
What is it? Has it hit 10 minutes yet?
Okay, I'm gonna go outside.
Pause it.
I'm not, I can't.